India I Care by Krishang, Hemang, Sia, Anjori, Sharanya, Hasita, and Aman.
The three R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. Why should we do it? Every item or product we use comes at a cost to our planet. Large amounts of natural resources and energy are consumed during production, and the waste associated with our consumption must somehow be absorbed. We must preserve natural resources, save energy, reduce pollution, and save money to create a sustainable future. Reuse. For example, the doorstep delivery of milk in glass bottles and the use of returnable or reusable plastic boxes and shipping containers instead of single-use corrugated fiberboard boxes. Reduce. Buy products in bulk, larger economy-sized products or ones in concentrated form use less packaging and usually cost less per ounce. Avoid over-packaged goods, especially ones packed with several materials such as foil, paper, and plastic. Recycle. To recycle is to use again or to reuse waste material by converting it into something new. An example of recycling is when you return bottles, which are then processed into new glass products. To break down and reuse components.
Unemployment. So, why is unemployment happening? Number one, less demand. So, let's say you have an old car and you want to replace it. You were going to buy it, but then you could not because of the lockdown. Some people don't even have jobs and don't even have the money now to buy a car. So now the employees are not getting enough money, and a lot of it was wasted to build the cars. Thus, they are losing money and the economy is suffering. And since the company is losing money, they can't pay the employees, so they're firing them. Number two, staying at home. IT companies can still try and work at home, but businesses and farmers and many other companies or people cannot. Out of 1 billion Indians, 21 million employees have lost their job only in the months between April and August. People have been asked to go on leave by their companies, and then after a month, they were fired. So, what are the solutions to the problem? First, the government should give the loans to companies so that companies have enough money to pay their workers. The government will be losing money, but if they are not ready to give loans, then later the country will be facing a lot of problems. The government can also increase the number of government jobs, and again they will lose money, but by not doing these things, it will affect our country's economy in the future. Number three, a vaccine. A vaccine can help our lives get back to normal, and we can start going out again, which will help in reducing unemployment.
Real estate negative impact. While the adverse effects of the pandemic are already being felt across the world, varying opinions are emerging with the respect of COVID-19's impact on the real estate sector, a health emergency that has force launched the biggest ever work from home experiment globally, putting a relevance on the workspaces in the post coronavirus world. Effect of COVID-19 on daily wage workers. The COVID-19 lockdown has dropped the daily wage workers of their earnings. Delivery boys, contract workers, or drivers are either out of jobs or have seen a drastic drop in their earnings.
Worldwide discovery of the COVID vaccine. After coronavirus was detected in December 2019, the genetic sequence of COVID-19 was published on 11 January 2020, triggering an urgent international response to prepare for an outbreak and hasten development of a preventive vaccine. The rapidly growing infection rate of COVID-19 worldwide during early 2020 stimulated international alliances and government efforts to urgently organize resources to make multiple vaccines on shortened timelines.
Vaccine trials in India. The whole world is waiting eagerly for an effective vaccine to fight the COVID 19 pandemic. There are more than 170 vaccines in progress right now, but our hopes are pinned on India's first vaccine, known as the Covaxin. Under normal circumstances, scientists and researchers would have taken 4 to 5 years to create a effective vaccine. Volunteering. 50% of these people have been given multivitamins and the other 50 have been given the vaccine. But no one knows what they have gotten. This is known as the placebo effect. A placebo is anything that seems to be real medication but isn't. The Serum Institute of India, or the SII, has partnership with AstraZeneca, Novavax, Codagenix. The CEO of SII, that is Adar Poonawalla, has given many interviews regarding the vaccine.
Risk factors of the vaccine. The urgency of producing a vaccine for the COVID-19 pandemic may increase the risks and failure rate of delivering a safe and effective vaccine. Telescoping testing timelines and approvals may expose all of us to unnecessary dangers related to the vaccine. We already know from the experience of countries in Asia that the epidemic can be stopped in its tracks with basic public health measures like widespread testing, contact tracing, and mandatory controlled quarantine.
Suicide rate has increased. The mental health crisis formed by the mass-scale unemployment and loss of income, financial distress, isolation, loss of liberty, fear of infection, death, and concern regarding social isolation, etc., caused by the pandemic has further strengthened the grip of anxiety, depression, stress on the people's well-being in India. People thought that performing suicide was a better solution than solving the problems around them. Mentality of COVID-19 positive patients. Evidence suggests that symptoms of anxiety, depression, and self-reported stress are common psychological reactions to the COVID-19 positive patients and may be associated with disturbed sleep. Studies show that negative mindset of patients can affect the recovery of the patients.
Depression. The study found among participants that there were fewer people with no symptoms of depression and more people with more symptoms during COVID-19 than before COVID-19. It was also found that people with lesser income are having more symptoms of depression. The rates of depression have significantly increased during the pandemic because people are more socially isolated and have less structure and routine, which leads to negative predictions of the future. Families get closer. Families and people, when faced with a global crisis and especially one of this scale, tend to respond by orienting themselves in a less self-centered way and in a more family-centric way. In a survey, it was found that 56.7% of the respondents rated their work-life balance as terrible. But the lockdown has slowly changed that, with more and more people making use of their time to improve their relationships with their family members and relatives.
Reduce, reuse, and recycle are to be followed in the COVID situation too, as the usage of plastic has increased tremendously to make PP kits, masks, and much more. Don't forget to cut off the straps before disposing the mask, as they get tangled into the legs of the birds and can cause injuries. Many organizations like the Rudra Environmental Solutions make fuel out of plastic. Tearing down plastic and putting them into bottles and later handing them over to recycling organizations can help in making plastic bricks. Simply segregating wet waste and dry waste and then putting the wet waste into vermiculture pits to make fertilizers and manures can also help in reducing waste. Let us stay home, stay safe, reduce, reuse, and recycle.
Pfizer Pune's COVID testing center is located in an isolated facility in the NFGF HD building. The center has dedicated entry and movement of personnel with no mixing with other activities. Dedicated HUs are in place to minimize contamination, and all sample processing will be undertaken in negative pressure rooms. Samples will be received in a dedicated zone, and following surface decontamination will be transferred to the sample processing room to a pass box. After recording and barcoding of patient data, samples will be allocated for storage and processing. These activities will be undertaken in a Class 2A2 biosafety cabinet by trained personnel wearing full PPE. Samples being processed will be lysed and transferred to the adjacent RNA isolation room through a pass box. In the following room, isolated viral RNA will be added to the diagnostic kit reagents for processing. The RT-PCR reactions will take place in another room using 2 dedicated PCR machines. The data generated will be passed on to the data management team for recording and reporting.
On 11th March 2020, the World Health Organization announced COVID-19 as a global health crisis. Post this announcement, many countries around the world went under a strict lockdown for the next 6 months. Lockdown helped in controlling the spread of the disease, it also adversely affected the overall balance of the society. Many people across the world lost their jobs. People running small businesses like shopkeepers and restaurant owners suffered heavily due to closure of their establishments. This led to serious global recession. But hey guys, don't lose hope. Every cloud has a silver lining, and with that hope, we are all progressing towards normalcy. Let's all come together in bringing an end to this pandemic and look forward to a safe and bright future.
Thank you for assigning this interesting project to us. We had a great experience working through this project. We learned a lot of new things. We would also like to thank our parents and teachers